Okay guys, another vlog nyo naman. ADB 160, 767 kilometers pa lang guys yung tinakbo. Napaka-pogi nitong ADB na to. Naka-ceramic, naka-PPF to guys, na glossy. Napakaganda. Then the same time, one stage, ADB 160 footboard matting na SEM speed at foot peg ADB 160 SEM speed. Alright. Guys, ang inabil nito is package A, ang ating pangbatong package A. Alright. So may mga gusto ng ganitong quick setup dito sa ADB 160, pasya lang kayo dito sa shop. Waste nyo lang Tan Indotai Concept, number 9 CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Waste Tan Indotai Concept. Alright. Okay guys, quick setup ko lang, quick video ko lang yung ano natin, ginawa nating mabilis na setup dito. Napakalinis, napakaganda. Siyempre meron tayong mini driving light switch which is night owl. Ayan, high beam, low beam, off gitna. At the same time, passing light.